thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to do a little review about a new local company called CLE Pack. This company is based in Cleveland, Ohio, my hometown, and is a gift pack company. So you can go on their website and choose from 5, 7, or 10 unique items from Cleveland, local food, sports teams, parks and attractions, things like that. This makes a great gift to send to someone who lives in Cleveland and just loves the city. It's a great little gift package, but it's also a good idea to send to someone maybe who grew up in Cleveland. Maybe they are going away to college out of school now, maybe they don't live here anymore. It's a great way to give them a taste of home. You can also send it back home. Maybe you are new to Cleveland and you want to send your family or relatives a little taste of your new hometown. So it's a really cool idea, and I just got this package, so I'm really excited to unbox it for you guys, and let's show you guys what I picked. So this was just delivered to my door a few minutes ago, just like this. The company will deliver if you are local, or they will also ship it all over the United States, so you can look for more information on that on their website. But this is how it came, with a cute little "From Cleveland with Love" sticker. I love it already. Let's get to opening it. So on top, I have an adorable little Cleveland postcard. This is definitely going up on the fridge. You can even personalize the back with a message of your choice. So pretty. For our lovely Skyline and the Cleveland sign. So excited to see what's in here. Like I said, you can fully customize your package. So online I picked from the 7 items that I wanted, and I'm happy to see them. So here is my package, just upon opening. The first item in here is the Cleveland Skyline ball cap. Love it. What do you think, guys? I really love this hat, but I have to say I did order it for my husband. He was looking over my shoulder when I was picking out my items, and I thought he'd like it, but I am definitely going to be stealing this one. Looks like a pretty good quality too, and it's a nice hat. I love it. Then, get into some of my food goodies. So I ordered Cleveland Campbell's Sweets Factory caramel corn, a local company to Cleveland. For any popcorn fans, I love this stuff, so I was super happy to see it on their website. Can't wait to get into this. Another food item that I ordered, I'd never tried these before, but it's the Cleveland Pickle Company, and I ordered the spicy garlic dill pickles. So I'm very excited to try this. This is a local company I've heard of, but like I said, I'd never tried before, so I can't wait to get into these. The next item that I had picked out was this Great Lakes Brewing Company keychain. It's a nice, pretty sturdy keychain actually that has a cap opener, bottle cap opener as well. It says Cleveland, Ohio on the bottom, Great Lakes Brewing Company, Ohio crafted on the front. I thought this was so cool. I love collecting keychains, but it's also useful. You know, I'm always looking for a bottle opener. I can never find the one that's supposed to be in our drawers. So it's a cute little keychain. I'm super happy with the quality of this one. Oops. So the next item, this was actually the first one that I picked out when I saw it on their website. It's a Sweet Moses Cleveland chocolate bar. So I'm gonna get closer. I want you guys to be able to see this. Look at how cool this is. It has the Cleveland skyline, and then it has the Cleveland script, like the sign. If you're local, you've seen them around town, like at Edgewater Park. So I love Sweet Moses. I was so excited to see this on the menu. I think it's a cute gift as well. Like if you're sending this out to someone, you know, it reminds them of home with the Skyline. Sweet Moses is another unique company brand to Cleveland. So this is a really cool one. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be too, so I'm very excited about this. My next item that I picked out was a pink Cleveland Browns lanyard. You know, as Cleveland fans, we've always got to represent the Browns, no matter what. But I needed a new lanyard, and I like that this one is detachable. Again, it's another pretty good quality. I'm really happy with this. Feels nice and thick. Oh, and I didn't even know it did that. That's perfect. You can tie it on something, hang it on something. Very excited about this as well. And the last item that I picked out is this Cleveland Tote Bag. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I love to, you know, try to be a little bit green and not use the plastic bags. at grocery stores. So I'm super happy to have one that doesn't just say the store's name on the front. This is actually really cool. It has a lot of unique places to Cleveland on here. Let me see, we have the Botanical Garden, Museum of Art. Let's see, Progressive Field with the little baseball. Ohio River Valley and the Grand River Valley. Of course, Giant Eagle's at the bottom. Great Lakes Science Center. This is so cool. Oh, and on the other side. Oh, I just love it. Hall of Fame up there. Take a look at this, you guys. I love this. I'm so excited to go grocery shopping now with my new bag. Oh, I'm so happy about this. So that was my unboxing, you guys. Again, this was called CLE Pack. You can find their website in the description box below or on my blog post as well. Again, such a neat idea to send a friend from out of town or even a local friend a gift. It's such a cool idea. All of the companies and the products are based in Cleveland, so it's a cool way to either try out new Cleveland products like my Pickles, I'm so excited about, or just send some friends some memorabilia. Who doesn't want another Cleveland hat? I love this design. It's unique to hats. I haven't seen this one. So I'm so excited. They had plenty of options too. Like I said, the boxes are fully customizable, so you just go on the website and choose each item that you want. You don't have to worry about getting a box full of stuff that you're not crazy about or things that you already have. But they had so many different cool things. Like I said, sports memorabilia, food, unique locations, Great Lakes Brewing Company. There were a couple others that I wanted to get. There was some Cuyahoga Valley National Park bumper stickers. There are a lot of Cleveland informational brochures as well, different things. So the website did say they'd be adding more items to add to the boxes in the near future, and also some different ideas for boxes instead of just the 5, 7, or 10 items. But I am super happy with this, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys what you would be getting from Cleveland Pack, and I'm definitely going to keep this in mind for sending out some gifts to friends, or like I said, just for some Cleveland memorabilia. So thanks for tuning in today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe below for more like this, and subscribe to the blog to see my next posts. I have some cool things coming up for you guys that I think you'll enjoy. Thanks again. Bye.